Welcome back to another episode of Simple Vegan Recipes. And for this recipe, I'm going to do a blackberry smoothie. And you only need three ingredients for this recipe. You need 1 cup of almond milk, half a cup of blackberries, and half a banana. So I'm going to place this in the blender and I'm going to blend that for less than 30 seconds. So let's go ahead and let's do this. Okay, so we're all done. This looks really good. I love the color of the blackberries. Oh, it looks good. Like I always do, encourage you guys to give those simple vegan recipes a try and subscribe to this channel for more simple vegan recipes. And I'll see you next time on Simple Vegan Recipes. Bye for now.